Listen. We are in H-Town, okay? And we went to the turkey leg hut. And I miss the customer service. I miss the attention to detail. I miss the seasoning.
The organization.
The organization. I still felt safe while they were serving us. And the food didn't take forever. Let me show you what we got.
First video?
So this is order number 1. What in the world?
Woo!
Stuffed chicken Alfredo stuffed inside a turkey leg, and it's supposed to have some dirty rice in it too. Those are full-size shrimp. That's a full-size shrimp right there. Okay. All right, and E, what you got? Show us what you got.
This.
I can't even. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Here's
Look at that.
Catfish fillets with seasoned, very well seasoned waffle fries. Very well seasoned.
So excited. Okay, so I got a stuffed turkey leg with dirty rice. Stuffed with dirty rice. Their famous dirty rice.
Wow.
Oh my
Look at all that seasoning.
Snap, crackle, pop.
You smell that?
Yes, I smell that. That's dirty rice. And then we grabbed all three of their lemonades. So this is the mint lemonade. And how legit is it? Mint leaves. Then this is the regular lemonade, and this is the strawberry lemonade with, I think it was a lemon in there. I don't know. Maybe I was seeing stuff. But anyway, we're going to try those. So which one do you want? First, let's try the lemonade.
Okay.
Let me know what you think, babe, of the regular lemonade.
Flavorful.
It's good.
You like it?
I like it.
Yeah, rate it compared to Chick-fil-A. How is it?
Chick-fil-A, I feel like it's more tart. That's more sweet.
Oh.
That would probably be real good in a half and half. But it stands up by itself too.
What you think, E?
It's dangerous. I could drink a gallon of that.
Beat Chick-fil-A by a long shot.
Oh!
I don't know how to pronounce the Chick-fil-A, but that was good.
Oh, I didn't try it. Wait.
It's good.
Here, look at me. I'm
Ain't
going
no slouch.
sideways. This time I messed up. I'm going.
It is better than Chick-fil-A.
Oh, it's good. It's flavorful.
Yeah.
It tastes fresh.
Yeah.
It tastes fresh, and it's thinner. I like how
It's
thin it is.
Yeah.
If I was in the house, I would go get a pitcher of ice and pour this over top of it and then drink it. But because I'm in Texas and I'm out and about, I ain't gonna do that. All right, so next up is the mint lemonade.
Minty.
Slightly different than the regular lemonade,
Not a lot.
but refreshing.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not overly minty. There's a hint of mint in the background.
Yeah, and that's
And it comes out at the end too.
Eva, try it.
I like it. There's that green you didn't think you needed.
Okay, almost forgot to do the last one. So, babe, try look at that.
Strawberry.
Strawberry lemonade.
Looks like mango for a second.
This is Eva's, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be super sweet.
It's good.
Very interesting.
Yeah, it's just strawberry lemonade. It's exactly what it claims to be.
Yes.
I can't add or take away from it.
Strawberry and lemonade.
It's done right.
Right?
Okay, right?
I'm excited.
You can't really say nothing about it though, can you?
Oh my gosh.
It's exactly what it claims to
Get
be.
Eva's reaction.
Okay.
It is that good.
Oh, it's so good.
I wish we could have went live.
This don't make no sense, y'all. This don't make no sense.
It's like an hour ride to our hotel.
I know.
wish we could share it with you guys.
Mm-hmm.
You're just gonna have to come here yourself.
It's good.
Want to taste it, Eva? Are you good? Oh, oh. How much will make it to her mouth? I'm so sorry.
That's good. Got a nice spicy kick.
Dennis would love this because He's into dirty rice. He used to make dirty rice all the time.
You got
Got a
beef
little
and
kick
pork
to it.
instead. Beef and pork instead, so it's hearty. It's got a spicy
that
kick.
strawberry milk, strawberry lemonade clears that.
Look at this.
It fell right off. All right, I can't hold this camera forever. I gotta eat.
Try yours, babe.
Try one of these shrimp first. You want to try the first shrimp?
Strawberry lemonade.
Is that pasta?
Alfredo sauce.
Oh, that's the cheese. I was about to say, I thought I saw noodles.
It's the Alfredo sauce over the rice, over the turkey leg.
I can't.
That's enough. Just because I taste so
It seems like a bit much, but it tastes delicious. I never knew this was a combination I needed in life. Hawaii.
You was leaving out crucial parts. Like I was talking about driving a Tesla from Texas to Mexico. I was like,
Get that camera out of my face, first of all. You said we was gonna keep it low on the low when we lived there.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, help either. Thank you. Let's go.
we're going.
Very cool. We're kind of separated by person too.
Yeah. I'm starting to sell Micah on some of this lifestyle. Only thing is, did you look at the scale to make sure it was 38 pounds? I guess it would be a little less than some of it was wet.
35.
Oh, okay. That's got to be everything.
Does it have the...
Look at you, sir, please. But I could have did it for you, babe. So we just picked up our laundry. So we just left from the Express Laundry Center. We dropped off our laundry yesterday, and now it's all done. Here, E, can you take that one? 38 pounds of laundry from traveling for a month. And it came to how much? Like $51?
Yeah.
That's my
That's
song.
because we got to expedite it.
We got it expedited. It was $1.25 a pound, I think.
29 or 25.
Something like that, a pound.
I don't think my shoes ain't get wet. I didn't think they would anyway because it was in that mud.
Yeah.
Hey, it looks
Like
better
his hiking shoes.
Yeah.
From when we went ATVing.
I knew that wasn't going to come out. But that's cool.
It looks better though.
What do you think, Mike? Mike wanted to do our laundry ourselves, but I told him he's still on vacation. We're dropping it off and picking it up the next day.
And then your mask. And the other option was we could have got it on hangers if we wanted.
Yeah, which was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But this is pretty good because they even tried to separate it by person.
I feel like this is easy to pack. This is all our clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could just.
I'm not unpacking mine.
I just need to.
Hey, babe, are you impressed?
It was pretty impressive, I guess. Yeah.
It's our first time ever doing something like that.
We were trying to get the 4-hour service, but I don't think they felt like working yesterday. They was like, yeah, we'll just do it overnight. You save yourself 50 cents a pound.
Yeah. And it's like, we've been traveling this is like day 26 of travel. And I'm tired. I'm ready to go back, and I want to keep things as stress-free as possible, and I feel like this helped check that box because our clothes were wet. We had just went on an excursion the day before we left. We did ATVs. Mike did zip lining with our brother and sister, and a cenote. So everything was wet and muddy.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to travel all the way back.
Plus beaches and pools and all that type of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, we did right. We did right.
Yeah, we did.
You did.
Eva is happy. I'm all messed up. I'm saying Spanish thank yous. That was from the hardest act to follow. Yeah.